Hello and welcome to the University of Reading, Malaysia campus. Located here in Asia's premier education hub, EduCity, this is the heart space where students begin their journey. Located a mere 30-minute drive away from Singapore, campus is a gateway to Southeast Asia. We are now in the largest lecture theatre, where knowledge comes to life. The modern technology used ensures that students can fully engage with and enjoy their learning experience. As well as large lecture theatres, students' learning will also be conducted in small seminar rooms like this. At Reading, we value students' opinions and encourage them to engage in critical thinking. Welcome to the Learning Resource Centre, the heart of academic life on campus. Students use this venue for individual and group learning and have access to a vast library of resources. In addition to the resources available at the library, our PC Lab provides students with the software that they need. At the University of Reading, Malaysia, we have subject-specific facilities. For example, the psychology students can use the Brain and Behaviour Research Unit to conduct their eye tracking and behavioural studies. Henley Business School houses the state-of-the-art dealing room, where students use the simulation terminals to experience live trading as part of their experiential learning. Part of university life is making new friends and also getting to know your peers. Our student social area is the perfect setting for this. We hope that gives you a really good idea of what we offer here at the University of Reading, Malaysia. To find out more, book on to an open day. And we'll see you soon.